Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to access Temu Games. To access games on Temu, the first thing you'll need to know is that Temu doesn't have a dedicated games section within the application, so finding them can be a little bit tricky. But do not worry at all. Here we can easily show you how you can easily access the game and play it from your Temu app. So the first thing to do is to open the Temu application and then make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the search box at the very top of the screen and then type in the name of a specific Temu game you want to play. For example, Fishland, Farmland, Lucky Flip, and so on. Once you search for the game, you will be able to find this interface where you can simply go ahead and spin for a gift and start playing the game, and that is how you will be able to access game on Temu. You can also search for other games that is available, but remember that not all Temu games are available in all the regions. For example, Lucky Flip might not be available for users in certain area. Make sure to play the game that you find in your area, and that way you will be able to access games from Temu app. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.